All set now, ready for racing. Racing just is started. We have Constatic break, quick lead start. Immaculate in the middle portion is Restless Heart. Then comes Zella Enjoy, Gandang Pinay, while Heron is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Constatic by a length and a half. Restless Heart in second. Immaculate comes next, and then followed over by Gandang Pinay, Ella Enjoy, while Heron is still racing in less by about 10 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Constatic moving up. Immaculate in the middle portion now is Restless Heart. Gandang Pinay comes next, Ella Enjoy, while Heron is still racing in less half-mile distance. They traveled. We have Constatic by about half length. Immaculate in second. 3 lengths further back in third comes Restless Heart. Gandang Pinay, Ella Enjoy, while Heron is still racing in last. Time is running out as the competition now reached the part turn. We have Constatic, Immaculate in second on the outside. 6 lengths further back in third comes Gandang Pinay, Restless Heart, Heron, and Ella Enjoy. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Constatic by a length and a half. Immaculate remains in second. Heron is racing in third with about 150 meters more to run. We have Constatic by about 3 lengths, followed by Immaculate. Heron last 50 meters. We have Constatic second, Heron, then comes Immaculate, Restless Heart, Ella Enjoy, and Gandang Pinay.
Yun ang magandang pulot, Kum. 300,000 yun.
Oo, sinabi mo pa.
For Oyet.